Hey there, boys and girls. Here we are, day number 4 of our February daily math. Number 1, what is the smallest number you can make using these 3 digits? We have to use all 3, so we have to use the smallest one first. So in the hundreds column, we're going to write a 1. In the tens column, the next smallest number is 2. And in our third column, in our ones column, we're going to put the 7. Any other way, it will be bigger than this number, okay? In the problem above, if Joey pays for his cards with $20, how much change will he get back? Well, let's go ahead and subtract. We have 20, and we're going to take away the $11 that he paid for it. There's more on the floor. We have to borrow from next door. 10 minus 1 equals 9, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So how much money will he get back? How much change? He will get $9 worth of change back. Okay, write an addition problem that equals 537. All right. Well, what plus what is 7? You got a few options. Sure, we can go 6 and 1. Okay. And what plus what is 3? How about 7 plus 6? Now, what plus what is 5? Wait, hold on. Remember, we had to carry over that 1, right? So 5, we could go 200 and 200. 2 plus 2 is only 4, but the 1 we had to carry over from the 7 plus 6 makes it 537. All right, we're going to count by 5s. 20, 25, 30. Hey, this is our times 5s, right? 35, 40. 9 times 5 is 45. 10 times 5 is 50. 11 times 5 is 55. 12 times 5 is 60. 13 times 5 is 65. All right, counting by 5s. Everyone in the ones column will either be a 5 or a 0. Okay, number 5. Circle the items that measure less than 5 centimeters. Now, centimeters are not that long. About the width of your pinky, the narrow way, is about a centimeter. This box right here is maybe a little bigger than a centimeter from here to here, but it's close. So, a raisin, would that be about the size of a centimeter? Would a raisin fit about right there in that box? Yeah, sure would. How about the whole desk? No. What about a watermelon? Big old watermelon, that thing would be huge, right? What about a dime? Yeah, a dime would be pretty close, wouldn't it? Much closer. The best 2 answers, I think, would be dime and raisin, because it did say less than 5 centimeters. So, don't forget, when you're checking your work, if you made a mistake, just check off that it's wrong, correct it, and then rate your score in here, okay? All right, boys and girls, we'll see you tomorrow for day number 5.